To the responsible party at the Board of Overseers of the Bar Association in the state of Maine, could you kindly tell everybody in the nation what the fuck is this all about? I filed something and I give it back to Kimberly Crossan House in the matter of Kimberly Crossan House versus, well, what's incomplete? It says original paperwork and signature, original signature. Well, this is a case that is filed online because it's available to be filed online. So when it's got the signature and it is a request for protection, and obviously because it was against the sheriff, it was a declination. Isn't that right, Susan? And it all leads to, do you see these messages here? Protection orders that I filed. And my rights were denied by Skowhegan. Everybody has the right to be safe, right? Well, I wasn't, me and my dog. And I've got video recorded evidence of this person right here admitting that he was abusing myself and that he abused my dog because she was mine. He said it on video. And he got away with it. But not for much longer. I'm showing you all the paperwork that's been illegally denied. Who's this? Board of Overseers of the Bar Association can answer to that. Susan Furbush, I make you aware you're under scrutiny. And I promise you, you're all going to be lawsuited. Dale Lancaster's known to be involved in a lot of disappearances and deaths such as Tina Static, my uncle, Virgil White, poisoning of me for coming forward. I've complained about it, people. I asked for protection, and this was all hidden information from the public. Perhaps if they didn't hide the information right from day one, your children wouldn't be dead and others wouldn't be missing. My daughter's alive. Dale Lancaster, where is my dog, Gypsy Roma? Because she's listed in these filings. So again, Susan Furbush, I suggest you get the answers to the public and suggestively to me myself as to what happened here. In which case are we talking? Certainly wouldn't be this one, is it? Dale Lancaster, Somerset County Sheriff. See my little notes up there? Because I want to know, and I never got the answers when I filed. So again, people, transparency is a major issue. I'm tired of being silenced. And this is just a little bit of what you're going to hear about. Because I'm going to be heard one way or another. Michael Kennedy, Penobscot County Sheriff's Department, I suggest you find my dog and you return her. So those of you that are listening, I just want to let you know that October 4th, 2023, I was at the Skowhegan, Maine District Court filing for a protection order, high-risk protection order against the sheriff himself and everybody in that entity that have been involved in harassing, terrorizing, stalking, and the disappearance of my daughter, as well as the vandalism, the burning of my home, and much, much more that's been happening and has happened. This has been going on for quite some time. And somebody is the culprit of it, and I strongly believe it's my husband, William Asher. Now, with that being said, I've got many traces and tracks of evidence. I've got people that have contacted me throughout the years to tell me they know who my husband is, and yes, it's him doing it. I was led to the information by his former landlord that he claimed death benefits on me and my daughter. So noting that my daughter had been adopted by my former husband, Sidney Crossan, at probate court in Skowhegan, that just triggers me to think, Did that case go missing too, just like my name change? Rob Washburn needs to come forward, is my suggestion, and tell everybody about the day that he faced me in the court. He was on his little podium, and I was there in the courtroom. And he needs to find that transcript. Isn't that right, Victoria Hatch? What'd you do with that transcript? The recorded hearing of my name change. Howes is my family surname, Howes. My grandfather was the founder of Cape Cod, Barnstable County. And it's very defaming to be a crossing, which would be in relation to the Mills family, Janet Mills and her disgusting ass. Yeah, all of them, okay? I'm not a fan of them. I never will be. It has nothing to do with politics. It has to do with their frivolous activity, the disappearances of people, the murders of people, the rapings of people, the drugs. Isn't that right? Janet loves her cocaine, doesn't she? I can verify and vouch. Isn't that right, Daryl Bryant? The reason why I got kicked out of the home in Wilton, Maine, back in March of 2023 is because I filed all of this. And again, this is again why I filed all of it, is because you keep on harassing me when I've done nothing to any of you but tell the truth about you. So it hurts you. Oh, so be it. But what you people have done, try to kill my family to cover your own frivolous activity, is going to come to a fucking halt, because this is going to be shared across the nation, and I'll share it with all the immigration that you're trying to deport before there's any deportation. Do you hear me loud and clear? So all of this today is being shared with people that I know are immigrants. Before they get deported, I'm pretty sure they'd be happy to do something for justification. Have a great day.